state of my closet is an absolute shithole disaster. My father would be incredibly disappointed in me. I don't know about you, but I don't like disappointing my father. Growing up, the kind of person my dad used to be was to scold me if he saw like a little fuzz on the carpet. If there was something on the carpet, you bet your ass I would be in trouble. Clearly, the parenting styles haven't really stuck to me, because if you guys saw my room cleaning video, you would know that this is my desk. It looks horrifying. This video is going to be cleaning my entire closet and getting rid of so much clothes. My style has changed throughout the years. 2015 Mia was trying to be a trendy, quirky LA gal. You know, the kinds that went to like California Donuts and reposted so many of those photos. 2016 Mia was. 2017 Mia was going through an identity crisis. 2018 Mia was kind of cute, but then had a mental breakdown. But then she glowed up, but then thought that she was a travel blogger. I wear about 5% of my closet. That being said, I need to get rid of so much clothes and then replenish my closet by going shopping. And just how bad is my closet, you ask? I haven't cleaned this closet out in never. My boyfriend JR moved in with me a few months ago, and I had to clean out and clear out so much clothes, but somehow it's gotten worse yet again. Watch out. Here are where all of my shoes reside. I wear 0% of these shoes, mostly for the fact that I can't even get to them. These are months on years of buildup. I don't even know what's under there. There's probably many creatures. I don't even know what's in that. I don't even know what's in those. This is supposed to be a jean drawer. These two are massive junk drawers. The president of junk drawers. These are PJ tops, which I don't need that many PJ tops. And now you know I haven't been to the gym in a while, because those are all gym clothes that I also cannot access. Also here on this beautiful floor, you can see my wig storage speaks for itself. Oh my god, do I need help? So right here on the left side, these are actually all the clothes that I wear, but also still need to get rid of a bunch. These are all clothes that need to go on Poshmark, and this side of my closet is a bunch of jackets that I also do not wear. Dog clothes that don't even fit my dog. Does this look like it will fit my dog? Who's a cutie? I suppose I was wrong. Ken, you're honestly a model. And lastly, these two sections belong to my lovely boyfriend. So I don't know if you guys have seen Marie Kondo, but her biggest tip is to throw all of the clothes you own onto one pile and figure out if it sparks joy or if it doesn't. I'm gonna throw all of the items of my clothes in one big pile on this bed. I'm quite horrified, actually. And that includes underwear, socks, everything. Let Operation Make My Father Love Me Again commence. This is my father. He is not dead, by the way. For whatever reason, a lot of people think that my dad is not alive when they see this photo of him. I get it, honestly. Here we go. An obnoxious amount of clothes. Here's another beautiful angle. Too much underwear, way too many socks. I don't even know what the fuck that is. So I'm gonna make 3 different piles, one for donating, one for Poshmark, and one for myself. Look at this absolute gem that I just found. It is an original Brandy Melville, but I kept this after one closet video, so I'm going to have to Poshmark it. Thank you for your time. Oh, does this one have memories? It's gotta go. This is probably the 4th round of closet cleaning that this has survived through. I feel like it's not very fitting on me. It's time to go. I thought I lost this jacket forever, and I'm gonna keep it. Crotch hole Calvin Kleins have got to go. Think that I'm gonna be a cool scarf bitch. I don't know how the f to wear these. So here's where we're at now. This pile is being donated. This is the keep pile, and this is the Poshmark pile. Let's continue. One garbage bag down. this is what I have for donations so far. I still need to go through these bins, so let's do that now. Oh my god. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:03 p.m.
2 hours later. We have some more donations on that chair. We got my underwear, an excessive amount of socks, hats, backpacks, swimsuits, keep pile, Poshmark pile. Okay, so we're back in the closet, and before I move clothes back in here, there's still so much shit in here. This section of my floor hasn't been clean in maybe a year. Now it is time to tackle the shoe closet and rid myself of basically everything. Well, now that I'm properly living in my filth, I'm going to wipe all of these down and decide what shoes are not disgusting enough to be placed back onto these shelves. Are finally clean. Now it's time to put the shoes back up on the shelf. So I just came to the realization that these are the only shoes I want to keep. And these are all the shoes I want to throw out. My style's just changed so much over the years, and honestly I've just had all of these shoes pretty much since I moved out of my mom's house when I was 20. The mystery box. A ton of beanies. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Now I have transferred my swimsuits into this much smaller, more modest bin. So now we have the miscellaneous closet items. I'm pretty sure I don't need this anymore. So right now these are filled with hats that I'm going to keep and backpacks, just miscellaneous backpacks. Yeah, I'm gonna Poshmark this one. First drawer is done. This is all of my denim. So I have white, black, a slightly darker color, and a medium tone, and then a lighter color. This drawer is my PJs, and I do have a lot in the laundry right now, so I'll replenish that later. And then this is my gym clothes. So I have colored leggings here, and then white and black here. Just some sports bras and some shorts. This one is completely empty, so I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet. And then this one is just a bunch of miscellaneous items. That's all GoPro stuff. These are all old laptops that I need to end up selling eventually. A new makeup bag that I'll end up using once mine's old enough, and just some travel stuff over here. There's still a lot of room for more. This is all stuff that I pulled out of the junk drawers that I'm gonna end up donating. I put up some miscellaneous pants, just bottoms that weren't jeans. I really wanted to hang them up because I felt like putting them in a drawer kind of just made me forget about them. Other bottoms and skirts, 3 dresses that I now own. Here's where I have my silk robes and then my winter robe. Here I just have backpacks, which honestly I could probably get rid of too, but I just have a lot of room in this closet now. Hats and beanies, underwear, socks, headbands. It's totally random, but I feel like I need a place for them as well. These are all outerwear, jackets, hoodies, stuff like that. I have way too many white and black hoodies, some random jackets, denim jackets, which I could probably also get rid of in the future, and then just some sports stuff, which I really never wear but still want to keep. These are all tops, which obviously I don't have a lot anymore. I'm just planning on going shopping and replenishing my closet, so let me know if you guys want hauls. Honestly, I have more bags than I do tops. Swimsuits, beach stuff, and wigs. I don't really have anything to put in here right now. Top drawer, as you saw, is jeans. This one is now empty. My now organized junk drawer. Here is pajamas, and then lastly, workout gear. And then here are my shoes, and I also decided to keep that. Miscellaneous little booties up here, and then down here are my black shoes, and then I have some white boots, and then these are just some boots for the snow. Yay guys, we did it! So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already seen my room cleaning video, go watch that. In the next cleaning video, I'm going to tackle my entire 3-bedroom house and garage and kitchen. Subscribe if you haven't already and follow my social media. I'm gonna link everything in the description bar down below. So yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.